Now it's time to discuss a static method. What is the static keyword that is in front of every method that we have created so far? Let's go ahead and try to create a new method. I'll call it say hi. Static void say hi. Just display a message that says hi to the user. Console.writeLine and hi from the static method. Strange way to create someone. Okay, now let's go ahead and I can see it here. It's very straightforward, nothing genius in here. Here is the message. Okay, so what if I came here and removed the static? It will not give me an error in here. This is totally correct build for the method. But actually it's giving me an error here because it cannot see the say hi anymore. If I wanted to type this again, there is no more say hi. It's invisible. It's not readable by this method main here. So why is this happening? This is happening because the method, the static method actually, I can use it directly without the need to instantiate a new instance of this class. So again, in order for us to use the methods of the datetime, if you remember datetime here, I have to create an instance. Then I can start using all of this methods here. But this is not happening with the static. If I wanted to use a method without an instance, I did not create an instance of the class program. Here is a class. I did not create this. I just directly start using this. So this is what the static method means, that I can start directly use it. Let's see how can we do this without the static. I can come here, for example, and let's go ahead and do another class. I can go ahead, by the way, and create a new class from here. I can come in here and tell it add new class, and it's worked the same. But for the clarity, I'm just using it in the same file here. Okay, class. I call it person as before with a capital P, and I'll just make one method inside of this class. I'll call it void and say hi, the same as the static one. I'll console.writeLine this and I'll tell it hi from the non-static method. And let's not forget to make this public so it can be used in other classes, and we will discuss this in the later. I can now come here and still not finding this say hi. I'm only seeing this static say hi. In order to use this say hi inside the person class is to create an instance of the person class. So I go ahead and create a person. This is just a default, and now I can have access to the say hi method. You see, this is different. This is the say hi of the person class, not the say hi, the static say hi of the program class. Now let's run this. As you can see, hi from the non-static method. So you see the difference? So non-static methods, I need to create an instance of the class to use them. Static methods, I don't need to create an instance. I just go ahead and start using them. And here is the both of them and how to use them. Hope this was easy and fun. See you in the next lectures.